6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slow. So ganz langsam, very slow. Toma, we breathe on the first motion, 7, 8, and then we go in Toma, 1 for the girl. She goes with the hips because I'm guiding with the right leg and the hand. Then I go back on my right leg, 2, and turn the body and fall back, soft, not deep, small, and 3, and we make a small weight, 4, 5, and then I go up and make power, 6 in frame. Then I go down, down, up, down, down, up, and that was 7 and 8, okay? That was 7 and 8. Then we are here. Then I go normal on the 1, just switch the body weight, no power, just normal frame, 2, and then man, we guide the girl soft in Zaida and we do styling. 3 and 4, block, power, so the girl makes a break. Then we make break, 5, 6. On the 6, what I'm going to do, 5, I'm going to go with my leg as close as possible here, make connection. So I can bring her 7, and this position with a little bit of space between us is very important. And then I go 8. Then I bring back 1, and I turn the girl with the friend and make tap 2. I bring the girl on her right leg with the body weight. Then I go break. 3. And now when I bring on the break back, I make 4 and 5. Leg up, 6. Then we go 7 and 8. And then we continue. 1, 2, Zaida, 3, 4. I bring the girl to me, 5. Then I go forward. 6, syncopation, 7 and 8. Now, when you're doing this part, you can normally just make breaks, okay? This is the motion. And here, guys and girls, you can add styling. Both girls and both guys. So for example, Eva at styling, I'm not adding anything. I'm just watching and guiding. She's making style. I say, wow, cool. How are you doing that? Let me try. Oh. Ich probiere es mal. Männer können auch diese Styling machen. Okay? Wenn ihr hier seid, dann seid ihr auf selbe Bein wie die Frau. Das geht auch. Okay? Und dann kann man damit spielen. Dann bin ich raus, nach vorne am besten. So forward is the best way to go out of this. Backwards is a little bit hard. And then finish single. Gut, tanzen wir einmal für euch. So.